Buhari at 80, ministers and other aides to Mr. President don't celebrate him. President Muhammadu Buhari come back Nigeria early morning on Sunday after him trip to America. As President resumed work on Monday morning, him aides welcome him with surprise birthday party. Chief of Staff to President, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, come read the tribute to Mr. President on behalf of the presidential aides.
A grateful nation to celebrate your birthday, as well as unique leadership that founded on sustained and inimitable courage.
The aides consist birthday song for Mr. President.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear President, happy birthday to you.
President Buhari can read the different birthday cards when Nigerians send them. Another birthday surprise comes this Shelley, and this time, now officers of the Presidential Guard Brigade named do this one.
Long life and prosperity.
Brigadier General Mohammed Usman will be the commander that can speak on behalf of the officers, and President Buhari can respond.
Also want to thank you, Your Excellency, for especially approving the equipment of that brigade. That will really help us in securing the Gila environment, the Abuja completely, complete Nasarawa State, and parts of Niger State, Your Excellency.
I congratulate you for being in the profession you choose. Once upon a time I was there. It has, I think, always been very tough, but you can always blame yourself that you choose it, so you may as well go through it. I congratulate you. Thank you very much.
This is not the last time President Buhari go celebrate birthday as Commander-in-Chief of the Nigerian Armed Forces. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember see your PVC and your power until I'm giving the politicians an election day.